With all of today's stress and turmoil, relaxation and tranquility have never been more vital. You can easily find them right in your backyard, in the garden. Here are a few suggestions for creating a serene sanctuary where you can rest and recharge. The first consideration is your site. You don't need to look any further than your deck or patio. If you have more space, you can create a garden room where you can get away from it all. It's not where you locate your outdoor relaxation space, but what you do with it that matters. Creating a tranquil retreat often means enclosing the space to provide privacy. Use natural vertical elements like hedges and trellises to build a secluded area where you can cocoon. Meandering paths and curved garden borders will encourage visitors to slow their pace. Incorporate both sun and shade in your relaxation garden and add comfortable seating where you can sit and enjoy the peacefulness. The color palette is key. Choose muted colors like whites, pastels, and shades of green that have a calming effect. Garden ornaments or benches can help define the space and add to the visual interest. If you enjoy your garden haven in the evening, soft lights or lanterns can add a magical touch. Think beyond the purely visual. Enhance the space with soothing sounds and scents. Heady fragrances like lavender, lilac, and rose can be wonderfully restorative. Water features such as fountains, waterfalls, or a koi pond add another relaxing dimension. Musical wind chimes offer an even easier way to add restful sounds. Incorporating plants that attract birds and butterflies will bring both you and them hours of enjoyment. Whether your garden haven is big or small, on your patio or in a far-off corner of your yard, it's one of the easiest and most rewarding ways to de-stress and recharge every single day. For more ways to make gardening easy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.